All right, today, Elton John is on Capitol Hill urging Congress to strengthen its fight against HIV/AIDS. The Grammy-winning musician testified before a Senate subcommittee hearing on global health issues. He praised the U.S.'s fight against AIDS, but said there is still more work that needs to be done.
I'm here today with a simple message. The AIDS epidemic is not over, and America's continued leadership is critical. There is a window of opportunity before us, a window through which we can very clearly see the end of AIDS within my lifetime. We cannot afford to let the window close. Amen. And we can and will see the day when AIDS is no longer a horrifying global killer, but a contained and controlled chronic illness. Mr. Chairman, this is the most powerful legislative body in the world, and this Congress indeed has the power to end AIDS. You have the power to maintain America's historic commitment to leading the global campaign against this disease. I'm here today to ask you to use that power, to seize this window of opportunity, to change the course of history. And one day soon, I hope to extend my thanks to you, to this Congress, to the United States of America, not only for fighting this disease, but for ending it once and for all. Thank you.
What's your worst fear?
The worst fear is stigma, to be honest with you. We are seeing, especially in African countries, the LGBT community suffering under draconian laws. When people like that who are suffering from HIV are penalized, they go underground and the disease is spread even further. Stigmatizing people because they have HIV is the worst thing one can do. That's for me, the biggest problem that we face. Once we get people on drugs, it's fantastic. But getting people to feel unashamed, to feel that they're okay with this virus, and not to feel as if they're being threatened by their own government because they may have a sexual orientation the leader of the government doesn't approve of, is incredibly important. We need people to be included, to feel love, and to feel compassion. Without that ingredient in this whole mixture of medicine and everything else, then we face an ongoing battle. So I really encourage governments throughout the world who are, saying that homosexuality is a sin and everything like that. They are making their disease worse. In the long consequences for that for their country, their economy is going to suffer, and the disease will spread even further. It's inhumane, and it's inhumane to people who are suffering from this disease.